Hello everyone, welcome back to Ansarkari. In today's newspaper discussion, we will be taking up the important articles from the newspaper of 26th November 2024. So the first article here is regarding the secular and socialist to stay in Constitution's preamble, Supreme Court. So this was the order based on the batch of petitions. The challenge corrected the inclusion of these words in 1976. So this is regarding the Parliament's power to amend the Constitution extends to the preamble. This is important to understand and we can even quote this. So the word is secular अगर हम definitions and meanings की बात करते हैं, so it denotes a republic that upholds equal respect for all religions. And socialist, it represents a republic dedicated to eliminating all forms of exploitation, whether social, political, or economic. So further as well, we will discuss regarding these two words and what is it regarding their introduction, etc. So the inclusion of these two words, ये originally they were not present in the preamble of the constitution. They happen to be included in the by the 42nd constitutional amendment in 1976. तो क्या ये valid है and can the parliament do so? The Supreme Court said yes. So next article is also regarding the constitution. So this month it marks the 75th anniversary of the adoption by the Constituent Assembly of the draft Constitution of India. So November 26, 1949 को it was adopted and the enactment हुआ था यानी कि it came into implementation. That happened in 1950 on 26th January. So after 2 months of delay or gap. So here this article now focuses upon the how we can relate this or how we can understand the constitution in terms of giving India away और जो currently the challenges हैं उनके regarding में how we can see it. So what happened was that B.R. Ambedkar, he pointed out or he observed that however good a constitution may be, it is sure to turn out bad. क्योंकि the ones who are called to work it, they happen to be bad a lot. And the constitution, however bad it is, it can still turn out to be good if those who are called to work it happen to be good a lot. So this basically um, sheds light or put the people or the parliamentarians or the lawmakers in spotlight because it is they who are actually guiding the constitution. They are themselves being guided by the constitution, but since they also have the right to alter the constitution via amendments, etc. So if they will be good and they will be more accountable and responsible, automatically the constitution will turn out to be good and in favor of the public. Further, these two words, equality and fraternity, so how they are important and their interrelation between equality and liberty. कि liberty will mean nothing if there is no equality among the individuals. So, or sense of fraternity, it means a sense of common brotherhood. So we can remember all these key terms here. So there is also a task of promoting the socio-economic equality. And as for fraternity, the mobilization of votes in our contentious democracy in the name of caste, etc. तो इन्होंने इंश्योर करा है कि there is a social and psychological sense of oneness that Dr. Ambedkar spoke about. So, reifying caste reservations, India has promoted equality, but arguably undermined fraternity. Further, for Mandal, caste was not to be removed, but to be represented. So, इसमें we can also talk about the um, outcome. The reservation, it is based on the equality in terms of outcome rather than opportunity. And also the different stance with regarding to reservation. कि क्या वो actually whether it will help in the annihilation of the caste system or it will actually provide such strengthening, be it in terms of economic or occupational representation, कि automatically the caste system will value much less. Next, so the growing spirit of feminization and the importance of females in lawmaking, which is shown by the recent introduction of the bill and the recent legislation that was made regarding the one third of representation of women in the parliament. तो उसके रिगार्डिंग we can also discuss कि why is a reservation actually needed? Why not automatically by such votes and such participation by women it can happen? And second here is regarding the constitutional part कि कैसे जो feminist ideology है उसके ऊपर हम बात कर सकते हैं in the India's constitutional discourse as well. तो जब हम बात करते हैं key terms की तो that is regarding founding fathers of the constitution. वो फाउंडिंग मदर्स होना चाहिए बिकॉज फाउंडिंग फादर्स इज अ पेट्रियार्कल टर्म तो देर आर सेवरल कंट्रीब्यूशन जैसे कि अच्युत चेतन लिखते हैं कि फाउंडिंग मदर्स ऑफ द इंडियन रिपब्लिक में इट इज थ्रू द डायनामिक्स ऑफ विल कंसेंट एंड फ्रीक्वेंटली इनफ डिसेंट के जो विमेन मेंबर्स थे कैरिड द फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट थ्रू एंड बियॉन्ड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली फिर क्रिस्टीन कीटिंग शी ऑल्सो राइट्स के she demonstrated कि कैसे जो founding fathers हैं they constitutionally subjugated the women. The Constituent Assembly struggled to reconcile their commitment to egalitarian polity with their efforts to build consent for the political authority of the new Indian state. So again, the changes that we can see with the time, जैसे Amrit Kaur, she also writes कि जो women of India, they were no longer willing to submit to standards in 1932. So therefore, there was a change and spirit of representation that was created. Further, the role of a uniform civil code was also to relegated the directive principles. So directive principles that they are fundamental in the governance of the country or जो state है, it has a duty to apply them in making laws. So all these key values they are essential here. And the role of the further legislations and the laws that are created, the provisions that are created, how can they help in further strengthening the idea? Next article is also regarding air pollution. So we have discussed कि कैसे जो stubble burning है वो दिल्ली के pollution का it makes about 30 to 40%. It is 30 to 40% of the cause. So we had read कि although जो farm fires है उनका number it was seen कि it has decreased significantly. But जो particulate matter है और जो quantity of aerosols or in the air वो फिर भी same था roughly same as in the previous year. तो ये जो difference है in the change in the number of farm fires लेकिन pollution तब भी उतना ही है. That was majorly because the farmers uh, they were burning the stubble after the satellite overpassed them. So they somehow got to know कि 1:30 से 2 o'clock तक की the satellite it used to pass from above the lands and उसके बाद they after post 2 or 3 p.m. they used to start burning. इसलिए जो numbers थे they were not being tracked. So here we can talk about two important things. First is regarding the satellites एंड सेकंड इज रिगार्डिंग द बॉडी, दैट इज CAQM. तो पहले अगर हम सैटेलाइट्स की बात करते हैं, तो जो नासा है इट लॉन्च्ड एक्वा इन 2002 एंड करंटली ट्वाइलाइट स्टेज में ऑफ द डिजाइन लाइफ. तो इसमें मॉडरेट रेजोल्यूशन इमेजिंग स्पेक्ट्रोरेडियोमीटर है, मोजिस. तो ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट है विच इज टू ट्रैक चेंजेस इन द लोअर एटमॉस्फेयर. और इसका जो सक्सेसर है दैट इज द विर्स, और द विजिबल इंफ्रारेड इमेजिंग रेडियोमीटर सूट. तो ये एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है ऑन द Suomi NPP. तो आपको Suomi NPP ये ओवरपास करते हैं इट्स लोकेशन एट 1:30 PM. Further, we can discuss about the CAQM जिसने replace करा था, and also we can talk about the NRSC, that is the National Remote Sensing Center. तो CAQM जो body है it has replaced the EPCA और the Environmental Pollution Prevention and Control Authority. तो क्यों रिप्लेस कराया था सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस बॉडी को? इट वाज क्रिएटेड इन 1998 एंड द रीजन वाज कि जो APCA है दैट वाज अ नॉन स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी, और उसके पास इनफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स नहीं थे टू सैंक्शन और कंप्लेन और नॉन कंप्लायंट, टू सैंक्शन द नॉन कंप्लायंट एक्टर्स. और जो CAQM it was designed to have teeth in the 2021 act. So, which is why it becomes important. But again, here we can see कि even now, जो efforts हैं of CAQM, they are not as much as they should be, although they have significantly lowered the prevalence of the farm fires. But again, the data है वो skewed है, तो here we need to take care of the data. And further, जो other है satellites, they we can just take up the name. This is GeoCommSat 2 AMI. So this is by South Korea. And Himawari, this is from Japan. So they cannot provide accurate fire counts, INSAT, etc. तो अगेन इसमें सोल्यूशन क्या हो सकता है? तो फर्दर, फर्स्ट इज रिगार्डिंग प्रोवाइडिंग द इंसेंटिव्स टू द फार्मर्स. इनमें और ज्यादा नॉलेज और अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना रिगार्डिंग द डीकम्पोजर्स, so that the use of fire it decreases. Further, जो timeline है that can be shifted. जो currently they have given it post June 15 after the rainwater, ताकि जो पंजाब है उसमें जो water है that is utilized less. तो अगर अर्ली सोइंग होगी तो अर्ली हार्वेस्टिंग होगी, and therefore they will not feel the need to clear the lands for the next season. So this can be another solution. And third is regarding Uberization of the machines. कि कैसे they can provide them on rent because they are very costly. So the farmers they cannot afford machines to remove the stubble. Next, the constitution has always been secular both in spirit and in letter. So they have cited Home Minister Rajnath Singh that the original text of 1949 did not have the word secularism in it. लेकिन जो principle has been impressed into the constitutional framework since the art. And पहली बार, as we just now read in the very first article, कि जो ये words हैं they were included in 42nd amendment in the 1977. So if we read here कि जो secularism है that was the most misused term in the country. The framers of the constitution उन्होंने ये words क्यों नहीं include करे? Because these values were already part of the Indian civilization. So they didn't feel the need to actually write them. What does secularism in the Indian constitution mean? तो अगेन इक्वालिटी ऑफ रिलीजन, लेकिन उसका एप्लीकेशन कहाँ है? ये वैल्यू दिखाने के लिए जो मैनेज करना चाहते हैं इंडिया की डाइवर्सिटी एंड द प्लूरल सोसाइटी, जो हम बोलते हैं यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी. तो हेयर वी कैन हेयर द आर्टिकल ऑल्सो मेंशंस कि कैसे जो बाकी के आर्टिकल्स है लाइक आर्टिकल 14, आर्टिकल 27, 28, 29, 30, तो दीज आर ऑल सच आर्टिकल्स जो ऑलरेडी ऐसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल आर्किटेक्चर क्रिएट करता है विच इज devoid of any religious preference whatsoever. So therefore there was no such real need to inculcate these names. फर्दर एक और आर्ग्यूमेंट जो हम देखते हैं इस आर्टिकल में दैट इज रिगार्डिंग केटी शाह जो थे दे ही आल्सो वांटेड टू इंक्लूड द वर्ड्स सेक्युलर फेडरल एंड सोशलिस्ट इन द आर्टिकल 1 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. लेकिन अगेन जो टर्म है सोशलिस्ट ऑल्दो इट डज रेफर टू the actual focus of the state to empower the or to create socio-economic equality, it also is kind of a relevance to the economy of a country. तो इसलिए बी आर अम्बेडकर जी ने ऑल्सो ही गिव दिस आर्ग्यूमेंट कि सोसाइटी कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज होना चाहेगी इन द सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक साइड, तो वो बाद में ऑल्टर भी हो सकता है. So therefore, people can decide it themselves later on subsequently. इसीलिए they didn't feel it important to include it previously. So these were regarding the two words, socialist and secular. And also you can read about the case of the Bharati case, the basic structure doctrine of the constitution. फिर SR Bommai case में भी it was further reinforced. This is regarding the constitution. Next, it is regarding a science and technology article. So maze in Ladakh. So opens its one of a kind eye to cosmic gamma rays. तो गामा रेज की स्टडी इम्पोर्टेंट है, किस लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है वी कैन डिस्कस दैट. एंड क्या होती है गामा रेज एंड व्हाट इज मेस मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली. तो मेजर एटमॉस्फेरिक चेरेनकोव एक्सपेरिमेंट टेलीस्कोप. तो ये एक स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट ग्राउंड बेस्ड गामा रे टेलीस्कोप है विच वाज इनॉग्रेटेड इन हैनले लद्दाख ऑन October 4. तो ये 4.5 किलोमीटर above the sea level located है and it is the highest imaging Cherenkov telescope in the world. So this article is actually very good. किसने build करा था? It was built by the Bhabha Atomic Research Center and the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. So it is majorly to study the gamma radiations here. तो गामा रेज दे आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय एक्सोटिक एनर्जेटिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन द कॉस्मोस, जैसे कि रैपिडली बर्निंग पल्सर, सुपरनोवा एक्सप्लोजंस, हॉट वर्पूल्स ऑफ मैटर ऑन ब्लैक होल्स एंड गामा रे बर्स्ट. और हाई एनर्जी की वजह से ये हेल्थ हजार्ड क्रिएट करते हैं, डैमेज करते हैं लिविंग सेल्स को, और जो म्यूटेशंस है डीएनए में उनको भी ये कॉज कर सकता है. इसलिए इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टडी देम. अब जब ये गामा रेज है व्हेन फ्रॉम अ कॉस्मिक सोर्स जब भी एटमॉस्फेयर में एंटर करती हैं, ये मॉलिक्यूल से इंटरैक्ट करती हैं जो एयर में प्रेजेंट होता है टू प्रोड्यूस अ कॉपियस सॉर्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पॉजिट्रॉन पेयर. और जब ये जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं दे ट्रैवल टू एटमॉस्फेयर एट स्पीड ग्रेटर देन द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट, ये फेंट ब्लू लाइट क्रिएट करते हैं कॉल्ड द चेरेनकोव रेडिएशन. That is also the name of the that is also included in the name of the telescope. तो वेवलेंथ्स होती है टिपिकली ऑफ द वॉयलेट एंड ब्लू लाइट ऑफ द विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम एंड ऑफ द अल्ट्रावायलेट वेवलेंथ रेंज. तो इसीलिए दिस पर्टिकुलर टेलीस्कोप इज सेटअप इन लद्दाख, क्योंकि उधर दे कैन स्टडी इट वेल these lights at a particular height. Or instruments used for this kind of detection are called imaging atmospheric Cherenkov telescope, तो IACTs. इसलिए important है. फर्दर स्टडी करेगा गामा रेस को, इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है हाई एनर्जी गामा रेस. एंड ऑल्सो फाइंडिंग द डार्क मैटर पार्टिकल. तो ये ऐसा मैटर है डार्क मैटर which is made which makes up 85% of the total mass of the universe. And further जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल एंड साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट्स है उसमें it will help in the fundamental open question in the field of high energy astrophysics and the particle physics. Further, time for new global finance model for co-ops (PM). So, underlining that cooperatives can provide new energy to global cooperation, the PM Modi ji on Monday called for a new collaborative model to finance them on global level. तो collaborative financial model है that makes the financing cooperatives easy and transparent. So again, this is example of globalization and integration, perhaps. कि कैसे in terms of financing we can make the world more strengthened and cooperative. Next article is also regarding the Constitution. The Constitution Day lessons from the Constituent Assembly for today's parliamentarians. तो दिस आर्टिकल मेनली फोकस ऑन कि हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली से क्या क्या सीख सकते हैं, व्हाट आर द आइडियाज. तो द मेन पॉइंट दैट इट हाईलाइट्स इज कि एट दैट टाइम द लॉ मेकर्स दे एक्चुअली न्यू कि they had to debate upon the various ideas and all the across all the political ideas and ideological shades. एंड जो एक्चुअल जो पब्लिक का सेंटिमेंट है, जो आइडिया है ऑफ अ गुड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड अ गुड इंडिया, तो उसका आइडिया दैट वाज पुट फॉरवर्ड with the respectfully disagreements etc. अब जो हमें चेंज देखने को मिल रहा है एक्चुअली दैट इज विद रिगार्ड टू द that we can infer from the data is regard to the decrease in the time of debate or the actual devotion of the idea of debating and discussing or negotiation perhaps. कैसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं कि जो 17th लोकसभा है इट हैड द लोवेस्ट नंबर ऑफ सिटिंग्स with 274 days over the 5 years. So the number of sittings that they have been decreased. जो percentage of bills है that were referred to the parliamentary committees वो भी reduce हो गया from 71% in the 15th Lok Sabha to 16% in the 17th Lok Sabha. तो budget discussion decline हो गया from 120 hours to 35 hours. तो although we can say कि जो process है वो ज़्यादा fast हो गया है, maybe due to the technological interventions etc. It has significantly decreased, but also it can provide a scope of a doubt with regard to the actual time and devotion that is given to discussion and negotiations and debates. So, which is why it is important to reflect on and reimagine the future of India's parliamentary democracy. So, you can mention this key term as well here. Next is also regarding the constitution. तो हमारा संविधान हमारा स्वाभिमान. तो 75 is of adoption of the constitution on the occasion of संविधान दिवस. So remaining firm on the constitutional ideas of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity, we are on the mission to enable India to reclaim its rightful position on the global stage. The constitution is a living document. It modifies itself with the changing needs of the people. This we had discussed regarding the air quality. Further again regarding constitution, we can take up a few points from here. So India's democratic journey to upholding the constitutional values. And as we can see, the constitution में all the stakeholders are made to be responsible. जैसे अगर हम बात करते हैं fundamental rights की, तो actually the government or the state being accountable to the citizens of India. Further, when we talk about fundamental duties, so कैसे how the citizens of India they are responsible. What are their responsibilities towards the state? And also the DPSPs, which further provides the scope and the actual ideas that are mentioned for the state. कि क्या क्या उनको करते रहना चाहिए. The directive principle which directs them and guides them. Directive principles of the state policies. The world's most populous country observes its Constitution Day, the epoch-making day that marked the nation's internal commitment to democracy, sovereignty, and secularism. हमारा संविधान हमारा सम्मान. To promoting the constitutional values among the citizens. To Gandhism, the socio-cultural ethos of the countries and the experiences of the functioning of constitutions. तो अदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से भी कैसे हमने अडॉप्ट किया है several key features. So all these will become very important. So here also it is our duty to assess ourselves whether we have achieved, though not totally, but at least substantially those goals. इसलिए important हो जाते हैं because it is a result of the freedom struggle, the sacrifices की of the Indian leaders and practices. So therefore they become very important. Further अगर हम constitution में ही देखते हैं तो there is also translation made of the constitution in the languages such as Sanskrit, Maithili, etc. तो languages पे भी interpretation पे भी कैसे नजर focus किया जा रहा है on the recognition part. Case study manual constitutional law. तो ये excerpts provide कर दो ना decided cases by the Supreme Court of India. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान and know your rights. So Disha is the app as well, I guess. Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice. The legal aid clinics, law school legal aid clinic. So these are just the interventions. Next, significance of European Solar Mission, which ISRO will launch. तो इसरो अगेन और भी बहुत सारे recent which we saw कि जैसे मार्स ऑर्बिट मिशन था 2013, तो ऐसे वीनस ऑर्बिटर मिशन भी होएगा. There are several missions that are in the line. Indian Space Research Organization will launch the European Space Agency's Proba 3 mission on its PSLV rocket. तो लॉन्च करेगा इसरो तो यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसीज प्रोबा 3 मिशन. तो ये किस लिए है? टू स्टडी द सोलर कोरोना. तो इंडियाज मिशन वाज आदित्य L1. तो जो प्रीडेसेसर्स है प्रोबा 1 एंड प्रोबा 2 दे वर आल्सो लॉन्च्ड बाय इंडिया itself. तो कोरोना का टेम्परेचर एक्सेट्रा इट विल स्टडी सोलर स्टॉर्म सोलर विंड्स एक्सेट्रा एंड कैसे दे इन्फ्लुएंस द वेदर और जो सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन एंड नेविगेशन है उनको कैसे ये अफेक्ट करेगा. फर्दर एस्पेक्ट्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ स्पेसक्राफ्ट फॉर polarimetric and imaging investigation of the corona sun. Digital absolute radiometer DARA and 3D energetic electron spectrometer. तो इंडिया कैसे बेनिफिट करेगा? तो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में इट कैन है India's reliable space launch facilities and the growing space capabilities, and also cost effective launch, definitely as compared to other countries. India's first mission to the sun, Aditya L1 2023, and Proba 3 for collaborative research, for collaboration in science. Next, legal issues in Sambhal. So the petition in Sambhal is similar to ones made in the case of Varanasi Gyanvapi Mosque. and Mathura's Shahi Eidgah. So, at the heart of the matter is the interpretation of the Places of Worship Act, 1991. So, Sambar's Jama Masjid is a protected monument, having been notified on the December 22 under the Ancient Monuments Preservation Act 1904. Further, the role of ASI, for Places of Worship Act, is the religious character of any place of worship as it existed on August 15 to 1947. It must be maintained.
इसमें ये बोल रहा है कि रिलीजियस कैरेक्टर जो है
Hmm.
1947 के पहले तक जो भी था उसको ही मेंटेन करना है। लेकिन क्वेश्चन उठता उठता है कि जो रिलीजियस कैरेक्टर है वो कौन डिसाइड करेगा, कैसे डिसाइड होगा। और आफ्टर द अयोध्या जजमेंट उसमें अलग अलग क्राइटेरिया रखा गया। 1947 तक अगर वो प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट पे है शुरू से, तब इट विल आई थिंक it and the Places of Worship Act 1991 will not be applicable on that.
Hmm.
Yeah. इसलिए इसमें एएसए को बोला गया कि आप जाकर के जांच करिए, साइंटिफिक और बाकी सब क्लूज निकालिए, ताकि पता लग सके जो उस जगह पर है कि हाँ वहां पर मंदिर था कि नहीं था।
Next, why India's trade deficit? So it reflects strength of the country's service sector. So we've already been discussing since long कि कैसे जो service sector है, it accounts for a huge part of the India's GDP. And जो actually manufacturing है, उसमें there is a lot of growth potential that exists. Currently 17% है, and it needs to be at least 25%. That is the current target. And similar is the case with the trade deficit here. So as long as India retains its relative strength in services and attracts foreign investments, the good trade deficit it will remain. So it must be India की manufacturing grow करने के लिए it must be driven by domestic demand and not exports. Reserves की बात करते हैं तो they are held as a cushion against the economic shock. जैसे कि reserves can be drawn down if an oil shock leads to spike in the current account deficit. So India का जो current है manufacturing and exports, they have been enough to keep the current account deficit at the desired level. So this has been achieved by exporting goods where India's advantage is the greatest. Over one third of the pharmaceuticals consumed in the US are made in India. और automobiles में auto components में. And India's exports of some goods are smaller than Vietnam's or Bangladesh's. Only means that India has a greater advantage over these countries in services than it does in the goods. Next, CCPA protest. Can CCPA protect Indian consumers? The Central Consumer Protection Authority, India's newest regulator, set up in 2020, so exclusively to protect the consumer rights. So this is mainly regarding the Ola. तो कंज्यूमर कंप्लेंट्स को एड्रेस करना। The Consumer Protection Act 1986. It was amended to include a regulatory body dedicated to protecting Indian consumers as a class. तो subordinate legislation का पावर दिया गया था to issue subordinate legislation, यानी कि जो guidelines, advisories and orders. So they had legal backing. The Bureau of Indian Standards and the National Test House. This is just regarding the role that is mentioned here. For the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. तो हाउ द रिस्पॉन्सिबल और जो डिस्प्यूट रिड्रेसल मैकेनिज्म है वो कैसे फॉलो अप हो सकता है. दीज आर ऑल द एरियाज दैट आर कवर्ड हियर. तो मेन इश्यूज आर मेंशन्ड हियर. टिकट रिफंड, एक्सपायर डेट फॉर द quality of the products, ranking, etc. Protection from COVID soap. तो क्या एक्चुअली क्लेम करते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन देयर इफेक्टिवनेस. Misleading advertisements, etc., surrogate advertisements, failing consumer rights, क्या quality है according to the price, etc. So all these areas are covered here. Next, listed corporate capex nears rupees 10 lakh crores. So this is just regarding the data here. There's a combined capex of government and listed corporates rising from rupees 10 to 12 lakh crore range to rupees 30 lakh crore range in 2025. Further, Zepto tries Super Saver in additional locations. So, testing on the service in Bengaluru, Zepto has now made it Super Saver, a bulk order feature available across several locations to gauge the consumer interest. So, Super Saver offers to provide discounts on groceries and will call for a minimum order value of 500. So, delivery free hogi. Although they will have relatively longer delivery time of 20 to 30 minutes against the 10 minutes. एवरेज ऑर्डर वैल्यू जो है वो इंक्रीज होएगी इससे. तो डिस्काउंटिंग मैकेनिज्म टू रिटेन कंज्यूमर्स. Workers' rights. If social security, healthcare, and post-retirement benefits are provided, then the employees will align with the industry's goals of enhancing their quality of work, leading to better productivity. So again, focus on productivity and quality, because all these areas they will further shift the focus from all these areas to the work actually. इसलिए productivity will enhance. So taking care of the abstract areas. A climate finance cop out. So NCQG test puts considerable onus on developing countries to mobilize funds. So finance cop, new collective quantified goal. So debt or disaster, they continue to compromise the ability of emerging markets and developing economies to pursue aspirations for development and decarbonization. So it struck a bad deal on climate finance. As Mahatma Gandhi said in a different context, this is post-dated check drawn on a failing bank. This again is regarding the idea who are actually responsible and capable for the damage already done and also regarding the time कि जो करंट टाइमलाइन है उसमें who is capable and responsible, more responsible regarding the financing, carbon financing. So maximizing the impact of public contribution from the developed country in mobilizing finance, leveraging the non-debt creating mechanisms to cater to the least developed countries and small island developing states. A long-term sustainable resourcing strategy for the developing countries must get their domestic markets in order. So these are the areas that we can work upon. Next, the rise of private credit. The goal of private credit regulation should ideally be to find the right balance between containing systematic risk and enabling the credit access. So again, so India's financial ecosystem has been a significant growth in the private credit and asset class in the last few years. But the total investment amounts in the first half of 2024, they were approximately $6 billion. So investor pool for private credit it has widened. So foreign portfolio investors they have contributed to the large part of the private credit invested in India. So here again, regulation and risk management becomes important so as to avoid the failures. So Securities and Exchange Board of India Category 2 Alternative Statement Fund. The role of non-banking finance companies. The crisis of 2018. So therefore, risk management needs to be done by proper regulation here. Next, the government releases 80% of the financial 2025 subsidy for the Food Corporation of India. तो फूड सब्सिडी के रिगार्डिंग वी कैन डिस्कस कि कैसे जो expenses हैं they can be reduced by actually altering the beneficiaries कि कैसे targeted intervention is required because currently जो दिया जाता है that is nearly given to the 500 million population in India approximately. So actually not all the 500 million population they are needy of these subsidies. So
Also,
therefore,
timely availability of the funds, like it is stated, 80% has been released by the government for FCI. So the FCI will not have to borrow money or borrow short-term loans. So this will also be, we can say, in a way, promote more efficiency of working. And apart from this, FCI currently holds 49 million tons of buffer stock, out of which 28.5 we can say is rice stocks.
hmm. And इसमें भी we can also talk about the change in the composition of the subsidy that are provided. जैसे कि हम बात करते हैं even MSP के regarding तो वो भी not just focusing upon the rice and wheat but also other crops like millets etc. That also can help in the rationalization of the expenses. Next, cabinet clears railway and hydel projects worth 11,000 crore. The Union Cabinet on Monday approved three railway and two hydroelectric projects, entailing a cumulative investment of 11,000 crore. The hydroelectric projects with a total capacity of 426 megawatt. So will be implemented in Arunachal Pradesh. or railway multi-tracking projects will cover all these areas. So again, there was a direct employment for about lakh human days during construction period. Power supply situation enhance होएगा and balancing the national grid. Further, joint venture companies between Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited and the Government of Arunachal Pradesh, NEEPCO. Next, Gati Shakti will make real estate affordable. So we have discussed Gati Shakti. It is a multi-modal integration connectivity project with regard to integration of the ministries and also connectivity enhancement. So logistics costs improve and all the other benefits with regard to affordability, etc. NFRA proposes steps to make LLPs accountable. The National Financial Reporting Authority, it recommended a host of auditing standards for the limited liability partnerships. So it will make them more accountable and increase transparency. So quality management standards, etc. So all these areas में auditing will be practiced. Nod to 2000 crore natural farming mission. The National Mission on Natural Farming will cover 10 million farmers across 15,000 panchayat clusters. So natural farming पे focus है इधर. This we have already discussed regarding the constitution. Further, AI awakening, a robot kidnapping that sowed unease. So, at an event initially presumed to be a hoax, a tiny AI-powered robot kidnapped 12 larger robots by exploiting a security loophole and made them follow it out of Shanghai showroom. तो एआई के जो सेफगार्ड्स हैं तो कितने क्रूशल वो हो सकते हैं. AI autonomy in the
हो गई.
So we were discussing regarding the AI autonomy or क्या ethical aspects of the robotics. So has the such thing happened earlier? So again, the Facebook AI agents they created their own language during negotiations. तो कैसे जो ये intelligence है, how it can mimic or even overpower the human intelligence with the help of secrecy. So we can discuss and mention these areas as well regarding the security and safety of the AI and robotics. So emerging technologies, no matter how beneficial they are, similar lines पर ही उसी rate पर it is very important to regulate them. Further, SoftBank's paper report it made inappropriate elder care responses. Or further, a robot suicide. These are all the terms that are emerging. So how safe they are, that is crucial point to discuss. So preventing such breaches by periodic audits of the AI behavior. So this can help in reducing the risks. Next quote of the day, enlightened teachers make enlightened students. As India marches ahead in the knowledge driven 21st century, teachers will play a pivotal role in mapping the future opportunities and ensuring our youth lead the growth story. So here we can discuss the importance of teachers. For example, even अगर हम books की बात करते हैं, तो books as well to an extent they can provide us the knowledge etc. But teachers they can help in the providing that human touch to the information. and how, at what level, by understanding the emotions, etc., we can have personalized and customized learning experience, going beyond the textbooks as well. Next, a 4% plus inflation for 5 years leaves bitter taste. So inflation target 4 plus minus 2%. Inflation refers to the increase in the price in a particular time period, price of the same unit of goods. The inflation may be on downtrend, but urban households still expected to be high for the. So that is because a long period of inflation can generate pessimism, especially for youth and the middle class. So fewer households expect
So it is
16%.
talk about
Hmm.
it is talking about inflation expectation. So that also plays somewhere important role in determining the rate of inflation. So here, the data showcases that fewer households expect 16% plus inflation now than in 2022. So it is talking about the inflation expectations and the consumer confidence in a way related to this. So this raises a question about, again, effectiveness of the monetary policy in dealing with the supply side of inflation, particularly as we are seeing that food inflation is sticky. So you
Hmm.
can see that pessimism about the future inflation that has also gone up sharply among the young people or the youth. So inflation anxiety can be the term that can be used.
Hmm.
So this would hamper again the aggregate demand in the economy. This pessimism, it might lead to again reduction in we can say the disposable income also somewhere, or because of rise in inflation, the real income would be impacted, which will reduce the purchasing power.
Further, Cabinet clears a PAN 2.0 other project. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, so they removed the revamp of the permanent account number system to introduce PAN 2.0. तो कौन से
So
डोमेन
PAN 2.0 is expected to cater to the demands of firstly businesses. It will focus on efficient grievance redressal and thirdly provide better cybersecurity. So these are the new additions or the areas that would be targeted under PAN 2.0. So it will provide focus on providing services for business related activities using the common business identifier. So we can say is penetrating further deeper into the system, and apart from this, this would somewhere also help in increasing the government's tax revenue also. So one nation one subscription scheme under PAN. Apart from this, agriculture sectors, railways, green energy, and education sector related uh, schemes or areas have also been discussed here. Like in agriculture, we've seen about the natural farming, and in railways, additional funding worth rupees 11,000 crores, which will expand the rail network by somewhere close to 700 kilometers. So it will provide last mile connectivity and also somewhere help in we can say making the freight transport sector more competitive.
and Krishi Sakhis was also mentioned, local volunteers and providing undergraduate courses on natural farming. So कैसे linking education with the employment areas. This we have already discussed regarding CCPA and how it can protect the Indian consumers. Next, the constitution supremacy is the foundation of our democracy. So apart from the several articles that we discussed today regarding the constitution, this is regarding securing the empowerment. So, the constitution, as per the constitution, is the foundation of our democracy. So, apart from the several articles that we discussed today regarding the constitution, this is regarding securing the empowerment. So, this is regarding securing the empowerment of the of India's people. कि कैसे the trust, the faith in the constitution, it can help in enhancing the security of the individuals and the rights. But again, on the similar lines, there are existing challenges as well. कि क्या actually जो rights mentioned in the constitution are they actually being fulfilled? To what extent? And the delivery of justice है, is it happening in a timely manner? Or to what extent is it happening? So these are some of the questions that we can think about.
Also, this year's Nobel Prize in Economics also emphasized the importance of social institutions for a country's economic development. So, this is also somewhere correlated to the constitutional supremacy, or when we talk about the doctrine of separation of powers. So, that has strengthened India's social institutions to again cater to the aspirations of the people.
Hmm. And maybe even as B.R. Ambedkar ji mentioned, that the constitution, no matter how good it is, it will turn out to be bad for people if the people who are working upon it, if they are bad. And no matter how bad the constitution is, it will turn out to be good if the people who are working on it are good. तो ये फोकस करता है on the social institution के जो members हैं, the lawmakers, the members of the judiciary, etc., how they are actually enacting and altering and interpreting the constitution. The economy must also thank the constitution. तो constitution's durability, livability की हम बात करते हैं, living document, but what about durability and जो changes है with its evolving nature, with the evolving needs of the individuals. So regarding the economic ideology, so the word socialist, etc., they weren't mentioned in the preamble. इसीलिए, because you never know what is the need of the individuals, what kind of economy is needed in future. So इसीलिए the individuals they must not provide beforehand a way of economy for the country. So changes like socialist reforms, mixed economy, फिर market-based reforms. So India's economic trajectory indicates that constitution and its custodians, the electorate, have routinely rejected one economic dogma as being exclusive repository of truth. Thank you, everyone. We have ended the discussion. We will continue in the next session with the next set of important articles.